In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and complete setup of your Pantum P2200 P2500 series printer. So this is a small laser printer. You can use it for wireless printing. It has Wi-Fi connectivity. You can also use it with the mobile. To the unboxing and complete setup. Remove this outer cover. So this printer comes with the USB data cable. We can use it to connect with laptop, MacBook, Chromebook or your PC. And this is the power cable. Now lift your printer. It also comes with the cover and there is a manual. Next step is to take the printer out of the plastic packaging. So we also get the Pantum CD with it. So that's for downloading the drivers. Now remove the tape. The printer looks nice, it's beautiful and it looks sturdy. Now we can lift it from here to check inside. And our next step is to activate the ink toner. Slide this out and the ink toner is here, so you can just take it out from this side. Remove the seal. So that's our ink toner and we have to pull out this. So it goes like this. Now close this section. Next step is to connect this printer. Plug in the power cable. Plug in the power cable. Now take this cover out. Now you have to place it here. So this becomes the paper output tray. Once we are ready, we have to switch on the printer. So on off button is at the back. Press it. Printer is on. Next step is to install the paper. Paper tray is here. Adjust the size. Load A4 size or letter size paper. Next step is to add this in your smartphone. Go to the iPhone or Android phone and download the Pantum app. You can download it from the App Store. Open this app. In the app, click on the replace the printer, or you can just click on the add new printer. Accept terms and conditions and click add. Next step is to scan the QR code. Now click on the Wi-Fi button once. It will print a page with the QR code on it. Now click on the scan icon and scan this QR code. Make sure your smartphone is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. It will display your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click on the next. Click join. Click on the join to Wi-Fi. Printer is installed. Click done. You will see on the top screen P2500W or P2200W series, and we are ready to print. For example, to print I can click on the print file. Just click on the print and it should be working. Let's see the print result. So that is here. So that's the complete setup of the printer, and now we can start using it over the Wi-Fi for wireless printing with our smartphone. If you want to add this printer in your laptop or MacBook, you can watch my videos on that. Thanks for watching.